I say immediately, forgive my video skills. They're not very good, but we'll get it done. This is I believe that's an ORICO. There we go. ORICO 5-bay hard drive docking station, as you can see. This is the second one. This is the replacement that they sent me for the first one that would not power up out of the box. As somebody that worked in the electronics industry, I don't see how that's possible if you have any kind of quality control department. Apparently, this company does not. Because this, number 2, also will not power up out of the box. You can see that we have power. Everything is hooked up. There's the data cable. There's the power cable. Here's the start switch, the on-off switch, which, when pushed, click, nothing. Absolutely nothing. Dead as a, well, dead. Anyway, beware of this product, man. I bought 2 of them. I sent one back for the same issue, and they sent me this one, which has the same issue. Matter of fact, I haven't bought anything from this company that actually works. This is actually the 3rd hard drive product that I bought from this company that does not work. It does not power up out of the box. And believe me, I know my troubleshooting and technician skills, and everything's plugged in. We've got power. Everything's hooked up properly. And all the hard drives are installed correctly. And guess what? Nothing. That's a shame because it's exactly what I need. And if I could find one that works, that would be really, really cool. But I'm not going to get one from this company, apparently. At least not one that works. Sorry to have such a bad review. I don't like doing that. But, you know, this company sells junk that doesn't work. This unit's $100. There's $100 and change for cheap plastic that doesn't work. So anyway, that's my review. Thank you.